At first glance, RoboNation and the Polynesian Voyaging Society might seem like an odd partnership. As you'll learn in our next story, Robotic Boats and the Hokulea have one thing in common: a mission to inspire and educate young minds.
My name is Janelle Curtis. I am the Director of Programs and Development at the AUVSI Foundation, which stands for Autonomous Unmanned Vehicle Systems International. We have a robotics community that is global called RoboNation, and our goal is really to spread the word and excitement about the careers and amazing opportunities in this field for students, and just get kids excited about it and give them opportunities to learn hands-on, to get training, to showcase, and to get jobs and stay in this amazingly innovative industry.
Aloha, my name is Miki Tomita, and I am the Director of the Learning Center at the Polynesian Voyaging Society, which is our education and curriculum center for the worldwide voyage of Hokulea and Hikianalia. We cover everything from community outreach to helping teachers to integrate lessons into their classroom, but also bringing the experiences of the crew through the website and through local media to the homes and hearts of everybody in Hawaii and around the world. One of the really wonderful opportunities that we've been given through this collaboration with RoboNation and AUSVI is to really explore and demonstrate for the world how voyaging is an ancient technology, but still cutting-edge technology of its time, and actually is in use right now as we voyage around the world. And so we bring to, I think, the public arena this idea that indigenous and ancient wisdom and technology can be used in a 21st century way, hand in hand with the cutting-edge technology that RoboNation and Robotic provide.
We are very excited to be in Hawaii. This is the first year we are hosting RoboX in Hawaii. This is only actually the second year the Maritime RoboX Challenge has even happened. The first time was in 2014 in Singapore, and we are really excited and lucky to be here in 2016 in Hawaii. It's actually the first time this competition is in open water, which is it's a big deal. These boats are not toys. They are not models. They are actually 15-foot pontoon catamaran bases that each of the teams were required as a part of the competition to get. All the teams have the same base. It's called a WAM-V, and they have to add all of the sensors and propulsion systems on it in order to make it operate and utilize the sensors in the field and to make the boat go. And the tasks that these vehicles are accomplishing here at RoboX were designed for competition, but to really create an autonomous vehicle that could sense and think for itself, and that is what this field is about. Really creating a vehicle that could go out in open ocean and map areas that we've not been able to map before because they're either it takes too much manpower, or maybe it's too deep for divers to go. These types of vehicles are going to be the next big tool that is available for oceanographers and for environmentalists.
On Hokulea and Hikianalia, what we have now is a 21st century platform for talking about our ancient and traditional knowledge, practicing the art and science of wayfinding as the ancestors did, but having to bring it to the world stage in a really cutting-edge way. So installing satellites on the canoes, having 24/7 media contacts and abilities to call in to radio stations, to local schools, to news stations, and just to connect with the world and bring them with us on this experience so that we can show them how the values of aloha and he wa'a he moku he wa'a really can guide us towards a better future.
A lot of people have heard STEM this, STEM that, and there's a lot of support in education for STEM education. There's a reason why you're learning calculus. There's a reason why you're learning, geometry. These are important things that these students here at RoboX are actually applying in their codes, in their computer science codes, in the design of their boat. If you're a girl and you're thinking, I don't know, maybe not, maybe do it, because you've got a lot of people who are rooting for you, you've got a lot of support, and I'll tell you what, this is fun. I mean, this year in our robotics competition. We saw almost as many females as male participants in some of them.
Many years before the whole talk of the worldwide voyage, Hokulea needed a home, and because she was homeless basically, and so a partnership struck up with our then Chancellor Ramsey Patterson and with Nainoa Thompson, and this beautiful relationship came to be with the whole University of Hawaii system and the Polynesian Voyage Society. So Honolulu Community College's Small Vessel Fabrication Repair program teaches towards a certification for a small yacht and vessel exam. Also, a lot of our program participants, they are also volunteer and have helped to restore the Hokulea and have seen the building of Hikianalia in preparation for the worldwide voyage. And as they come back into port, especially Hikianalia is back right now, and she'll be joining Hokulea to come back for their last year before they end the voyage in June 17th, 2017. They're helping with that repair process. So it's kind of been this really nice marriage of learning how to repair boats and then also having the hands-on of working on a traditional voyaging vessel and how to use new technology with old.
One of the things that we're taught when we're training as crew is that for every one person that gets to stand on the deck of the Voyaging canoe, that there are 1,000 people in the community that have made it possible for you to be there. And similarly, I think, you know, when you think about RoboNation and Robot X, the unmanned vessels, there are thousands of people that it takes to create one opportunity for those vessels to go into waters, to do things that people cannot do, to explore circumstances and situations that could be difficult for human beings, but that we need in order to understand our oceans better, because the oceans really are the blue lung of our Earth.
Next month, we'll bring you part 2 of the RoboBoat event story. The segment will also be posted on our Career Changers YouTube channel, which now has close to 2 million views worldwide.